From this to this in just a few minutes. High-quality AI skin retouching inside Photoshop using Maiqa. For this workflow, we'll use Nano Banana Pro 2K. To get the best quality and take full advantage of the generated image resolution, start by making a fixed size selection of the face. Once the selection is ready, add guides. They will be useful later. Now crop the file, then create a new document from the cropped version. Before moving on, go back to the original document and return to the previous history state. From this point on, work on the new document. In the Maiqa panel, select Image Editing and Active Layer. This is the prompt we'll use. Now click Generate. If this prompt doesn't give you the result you want, you can use an LLM to help you write one that better matches your needs. Now copy the generated image and paste it into the original document. Position the layer inside the area marked by the guides. Then add a black layer mask. With a soft brush, paint in white only where you want to reveal the retouched skin. This method preserves the original image details, including the eyebrows, eyes, lips, and any skin areas that do not need retouching. That is the real advantage of working inside Photoshop. You can also refine the skin tone using adjustment layers. Just make sure to convert them into clipping masks, so the adjustments affect only the retouched skin layer. If the skin looks too smooth or slightly artificial, I suggest using the newly added grain feature. If needed, refine the layer mask. Use the brush tool with black or white, depending on whether you want to hide or reveal parts of the skin layer. Lowering the opacity of the brush tool can help you work more precisely and achieve a smoother, more natural result. That's it! If you found this workflow useful, let us know in the comments and subscribe for more Photoshop and AI tutorials.